Welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you make read-only channel and Discord server. To make read-only channel and Discord server, you'll have to follow the steps. Open up a browser, type discord.com and log into your account. Once logged in, right-click on the mouse and click on Create Channel, after which give a name to a channel and click on Create. After you've created the channel, what next you have to do is you have to go ahead and make some changes with the permission. So click on the gear icon in the top right and go to permissions from the left hand side. Then you want to go ahead and click on advanced permissions. You want to scroll down a bit and here you want to make sure to select or click on the cross icon where you have send message, and you could also go ahead and cross this out. And once you've actually done it, so click on save, and after you go to the home page, the only admin will be able to type in a message and rest other will only be able to read on. So that is how you could actually go ahead and enable or make a read-only channel in Discord. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.